Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to color your hair in red. So first of all, I'm always going to use my hair paint, so I don't want to damage my hair or anything like that. So I'm just going to use my hair paint that is going to be in my description box if you want to purchase it. I'm going to use some combs, a brush to define my curls, and my water spray with oil in it, and 2 elastics. So here is how it is in the box. It's actually really like a pomade or like hair lotion, really. So of course I'm gonna start on freshly washed hair, and then now I'm gonna just part the top because today I'm gonna do a half up half down style with the red color. So when I part my hair is done, I'm just gonna start putting the water on the strand of hair that I'm choosing, and I'm gonna comb them out, and my curls are gonna pop back in, and then I'm gonna add the color on it. Then I'm gonna show you a couple more times of me putting the hair color on my hair. You can see my hands are all red, but really it's taking off with like just one wash. So you don't really have to worry about anything about hair damage, hair dryness, or anything like this. In my water I actually put oil, so I make sure that my hair is still moisturized under that. And then for the bun part, I'm actually just gonna put some water to moisturize my hair, the water with oil, and then I'm just not gonna take it strand by strand from the roots because they're just gonna be tied. So I'm just gonna put it on as if I was putting some gel on my roots basically, and I'm gonna try to tie my hair and stick them down with a brush. So once my hair is tied, I'm actually just gonna take some strand from my ponytail basically, and I'm gonna define my curls as well as putting color on the strands. Once I'm done that, I'm actually gonna start air drying my hair. And since I'm doing this video at night, I didn't want it to go to bed with my hair a little bit wet and the product not completely dry on my hair. So I'm just gonna use my hair dryer here, that is a Conair, and it's also in the description box if you want to buy it. So I'm just gonna put it on no heat. Just basically, you know how there is a button on the hair dryer that says basically that if you press it, you can actually have cold hair coming out, because I don't want to put any heat on my hair. So I'm just gonna put some basically just natural air. And then once my hair are actually dry, I'm gonna do my baby hairs as well as starting to style my bun. Then I'm gonna do a couple more baby hairs, spending a bit more time to have nice edges. And then that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next video.